The best designs feel intentional because every element has a purpose and a clear place within the composition. Today, how to create intentional frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a soft cream background and apply a subtle gradient to add depth. Insert one large rectangular frame near the center and upload your primary image. Carefully adjust the crop so the main subject immediately captures attention. Add two smaller supporting frames around the focal image and position them with balanced spacing. Apply soft shadow effects to all frames and lower the blur settings until they appear natural. Duplicate the primary frame,